One creator used a simple digital product and 0 initial followers to generate over £9,600 in passive sales. To replicate this, you have to stop treating Pinterest like a social media app. Users aren't here to catch up with friends, they are here to plan purchases. It is a visual search engine where every query represents a buyer's intent. Over the next 6 minutes, we will convert your account, optimize your profile for the algorithm, design a scroll-stopping pin, and build an automated scheduling system. Before we begin, you need 2 things: a digital product ready for sale on a storefront like Etsy or StanStore, and a free Canva account to create your visuals. Since the platform is driven by keywords rather than social circles, your follower count is irrelevant. If your content matches a user's search term, your product will appear in their results regardless of how many people follow you. Step 1 is enabling professional tools. Go to your Settings menu, select Account Management, and click Convert to Business Account. This is a free conversion that gives you access to the Business Hub. Without this, you cannot use the native scheduling tools or the analytics required to see which products are actually driving clicks. This diagram shows the difference between a hidden profile and a searchable one. To be discovered, you must place specific search terms in your display name and bio so the algorithm knows exactly what your store offers. This strategy extends to your boards, which categorize content for different users. Avoid abstract names. No one searches for Wanderlust Dreams. They search for budget travel tips. Use literal, searchable terms for every board to give the system clear signals. Because search results are generated by these text signals, being literal is your greatest advantage. It ensures your boards are indexed correctly from day 1. To find the most effective search terms, we use the Pinterest Trends tool. It provides real-time data on what users are actually typing. This graph shows a seasonal search timeline. Peak interest is in June, but the search volume begins its upward slope in March. Users plan months in advance. To capture early interest, pin your summer content in March. This planning window is key to steady traffic. Extract 3 to 5 high-volume keywords from these rising trends. These are the specific terms you will use to write your pin descriptions. Publishing content before a trend reaches its peak gives the algorithm the lead time it needs to index your pins. This ensures your products are already surfaced by the time the market becomes crowded with competitors. This blueprint shows the standard requirements for your visuals: a vertical 2:3 aspect ratio, specifically 1000 by 1500 pixels. Avoid horizontal or square images. The platform is optimized for vertical scrolling, and using the wrong dimensions will result in your image being cropped, which often hides your product and lowers your click-through rate. Once your size is correct, add a bold text overlay to the image. This tells the scroller exactly what the pin is about before they ever read the description. You also need a clear call to action on the image itself. Phrases like "get the template" or "shop the guide" tell the user exactly what to do next. Vertical alignment allows your content to occupy the maximum available space in the feed. When you combine this visibility with a direct instruction, you provide a clear path for a user to move from browsing to clicking. When you upload your pin, paste your researched keywords directly into both the pin title and the description fields. The most important step is the destination link. This is where you paste the URL to your product, so the traffic can reach your shop. Rather than posting manually, use the native scheduling tool. This allows you to set up a hands-off funnel that automatically releases content at specific times throughout the week. Success depends on pacing. Instead of dumping 20 pins in a single day, schedule 1 to 4 pins to be released daily. Consistent, spaced scheduling signals to the algorithm that your account is a reliable source of fresh content, which helps maintain steady distribution across the platform. With your keywords set and your schedule loaded, your funnel is now active and ready to reach buyers who are searching for your niche. Keep in mind that pins grow in value over time. Because they are indexed in search, a pin you create today can continue to drive traffic and sales for months after you've posted it. This chart shows the typical growth curve for a new Pinterest funnel. The line usually remains flat for the first few weeks as the system indexes your content. But with consistent pinning, the traffic volume typically begins to curve upward by the 3rd month. Your next move is to fill your queue. Batch create 10 additional pins with different headlines and images to keep your automation running. The process requires upfront effort in research and design, but once the system is established, it leverages the platform's search engine to turn that manual labor into a long-term stream of traffic.